What if the love story you thought you knew, the one that shaped a generation, was only half the truth? Midnight Sun by Stephenie Meyer reveals the other side of the world-famous romance, told through the eyes of the one who's been silent the longest, Edward Cullen himself. From the very first moment Edward meets Bella Swan, everything changes. For the first time in his long, immortal life, he encounters something he can't predict, can't control, and can't stay away from. Her presence is irresistible, her mind is silent to him, and her scent threatens to pull him into darkness he has fought for decades to escape. In this powerful companion to Twilight, Stephenie Meyer returns to the world that captivated millions, but with a deeper, darker, and far more emotional twist. Through Edward's inner turmoil, his haunted past, and the intensity of his forbidden desire, you will finally understand the true danger behind their love, and why the greatest threat to Bella might be Edward himself. Midnight Sun transforms a beloved story into something richer, sharper, and more gripping than ever. If you think you know the Twilight Saga, this book will change everything. Listen to the full free audiobook using the link in the description. Once you hear Edward's side, you won't want to stop until the very end.